Once upon a time, in a bustling city, there lived a smart and curious little boy named Lex. Lex loved science, technology, and nature, and he had a special secret garden. One day, Lex found a tiny seed that glowed with a soft, magical light. He planted it in his garden with care, watering it daily and watching it grow. As the seed grew into a beautiful, glowing plant, Lex was amazed. He had never seen anything like it before. The plant's leaves shimmered and sparkled, and it seemed to have a life of its own. One night, as Lex lay in bed, he looked out his window at the garden. He saw the magical plant glowing brighter than ever, and he had an idea. Lex quickly put on his favorite lab coat and ran outside. He carefully cut a leaf from the magical plant and brought it into his lab. In the lab, Lex worked for hours, mixing and stirring, measuring and testing. He was determined to unlock the plant's secret and use it to help others. Finally, after many long days and nights, Lex created a special potion. He poured it into a small bottle and took it back to his garden. With the potion in hand, Lex carefully watered the magical plant. To his amazement, the plant grew even more beautiful, and the potion seemed to flow through its veins. Lex knew he had done something amazing, but he also knew he needed to share it with the world. He went to school the next day, excited to tell his class about the magical plant and the potion he had created. His classmates were amazed, and his teacher was impressed. Lex was asked to share his discovery with the whole school, and soon, people from all over the city came to see the magical plant and learn about Lex's potion. Word of Lex's discovery spread, and soon, people from all over the world came to visit his garden. They were amazed by the magical plant, and many wanted to learn how to create their own potions. Lex was happy to share his knowledge, and he continued to work in his lab, creating new potions and plants. He became known as Lex Luthor, the magical gardener, and he used his gifts to help others and make the world a brighter, more beautiful place. And every night, as he lay in bed, Lex looked out his window at his magical garden, grateful for the wonder and magic it brought to his life. The end.